I want to take this opportunity to say happy birthday and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of us. Actually, sana mataas ang hihingi kong talent fee para sa video na to eh. But malakas yung nag-request and he's celebrating his 13th birthday today. So, no chance for her. It's very funny because it takes so many time before to accomplish this video. During our conversation in Facebook, she told me to narrate her childhood memories or childhood day. But in my opinion, that is not important. The important thing is now and the coming future. So, this is my message to her. Just be humble, be a stronger person, and think positive, and open and close your day with a prayer. Minsan, hindi natin maiwasan yung mga sad moments na maalala, especially tulad nung mawala yung kanyang lola. But we have to forget that kasi alam ko at alam na natin na nasa piling na siya ng may kapal at maligaya siya doon. And especially he's watching right now. Nga pala. By the way, Tay, happy belated birthday. And huwag ka na masyadong magpagod sa trabaho. Intindihin mo na lang yung Sunday school. Galingan mo na lang yung pagsipat para laging panalo. So, I will not take longer this video. And by the way, Katrina, take care of your brother, Joshua, and your other relatives. And nawawalan ako ng naisip na sasabihin. And I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of us. Ay salamat sa mga dumating at dumalo sa yung video, sa yung celebration. Sana matapos na maayos. And I love you all. Thank you very much.